Why your pants so low?
Because he was making me. Why you got?
Bitch, put that shit down. Put that shit down. Put that shit down. No. Give me the tool. Give me.
My city is coming.
Give me the tool and fix your titty. Fix your titty.
He put my shirt up.
Can you wait this day? Ah, why you grabbing my
Thank you.
Oh my god. You're gonna hit yourself with your head.
I need a knife.
Oh my god, this is mad funny watching you struggle. Shut up, bitch. I'ma cut you out. Just shut up. The fuck, yo.
You just standing there, baby, taping me.
Yo, if you ever want to like kidnap somebody, this is how to do it. Tape their hands together on top of each other.
Please.
Can I do it to your feet too?
Please.
Yo, if I tape your feet, it's over for you.
I dare you, motherfucker.
Then
I dare you.
I'll do it. I mean, if you don't move.
I dare you.
No, but you're gonna kick me.
How can I get up with my fucking 2 hands like this?
No, but you're gonna kick me. Dumbass. You're mad stupid.
Good. Why you got a deal door?
Bitch, get the fuck.
Mommy, you hit me in my head.
Cause you can't do nothing about it. You just fell on your ass.
My butt crack is showing.
Let's see. Oh, Jocelyn.
Can you pick me up?
Yeah, I could. Damn. Control your legs. Fix my chair. You know you can fix it. You like your belly dancing.
Caesar. No, my belly is showing. Can you please cut me?
Cut you? Cut you?
Yeah, if you cut my skin, I swear to God, I'm more.
I'm not gonna cut your skin, asshole. Can I do it? Come here. You wanna get cut out or not?
Cut my skin and be mad at you.
Cause you didn't put no lotion.
Yes, I really did though. Make sure watch out, please.
Alright, wait. Say goodbye to the video.